just gonna check. Well, I already checked, I'm not gonna lie. But there's one of these plants that already have roots. Can you guess which one? It's been, I think, 3 days. Which of these have roots? ¿Cuál de estas plantas tiene raíces y agregaste? Huh? Did you guess it? Well, it's this one. Chocolate mint, which is this one, by the way. Menta chocolate. I just checked it. Look at it. Maybe there. Not a ton, but that's better. Probably 3 tiny roots coming from it. So yeah, everything else is still the same. El resto está todo igual. Hola amigos, hello friends. I'm here to make another video. Estoy aquí para hacer otro video. Transplant some pepper plants. Voy a trasplantar unas plantas de pimiento. Bell pepper. Son de pimiento, ¿cómo se llama esto? No sé cómo se llama, pimentón de los grandes. And I think one of them is arugula. Creo que rúcula puede ser. I don't know. Yeah, basically I wanna save some plants. Quiero salvar algunas plantas. Bueno, aquí tengo los pimientos. These are the peppers. So I may take 2 of these. And here is the lettuce that I was trying to save the other day. Most of it died, so I'm probably gonna take one of this. Voy a tomar quizás una de estas lechugas de las que estaba tratando de salvar la otra vez. Y si no funciona, la siembro de nuevo. And then here, I think this is arugula. Creo que esta es rúcula. I'm not so sure. And then this one could be dandelion. Esta puede ser diente de león. Which I'm growing for my bunny. Que estoy creciendo para mi conejo. So I'm gonna take one of each, I think. And 2 peppers. Creo que voy a tomar una de cada una y 2 pimientos. I'm gonna have these little pots here. Coffee pods. See, they have the hole here that goes on the machine. Tiene un hoyito ahí que se hace en la máquina de coffee maker. I'm gonna use this rock wool, esta lana de piedra. So maybe I can put 2 plants per rock wool. Puedo poner 2 plantitas por ojal. I'm gonna add some water to this tray. Voy a agregarle agua a esta bandejita. And 3. Why not? There, 3 of those. We're gonna try with 2 lettuces. Vamos a tratar con 2 lechugas. Ojalá que esto no se rompan porque estaban bien delicadas el otro día. Okay, there we have one. Okay, that one is kind of broken. Yeah, this one is kind of broken there, but we're still gonna try it. Both lettuces are kind of broken. Las 2 lechugas están rotas. So I'm just gonna take 2 more then. There's 4 little lettuces. 2 broken and 2 okay. 2 que están rotas y 2 que están bien. Plantas de lechuga. 2 pepper plants. Plantitas de pimiento. There we go. Okay. La voy a poner a la luz ahora. I'm gonna place them in the light and see what happens, and I'll be updating. Voy a estar haciendo las actualizaciones, ojalá funcione. Okay, thank you, see you later, bye. Chao, nos vemos. Come to look into this area. Vamos a mirar en esta área. We find the monster of the jungle. Pillamos al monstruo de la jungla. No, actually come to look at the cuttings. Venimos a ver las estacas. So we're just gonna lift this. Vamos a levantar esto solamente. Like this. And you can see roots on basil. That's the chocolate mint. That's the basil. Then roots on this one, which is another basil. I think here I have root on both of those. Aquí tengo raíces en esas dos plantitas. Sage is still green. And here we have that type of basil and the baby tears. So baby tears, I think it has some roots. Lágrimas de bebé tiene un par de raíces y the basil doesn't. Y la albahaca no, esa última albahaca. Because, this basil, I didn't mention it, but it was kind of broken on the top when I was transplanting it. So